Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on write a Python program for swapping of two given numbers. That means how we are swapping the values of two variables that can be discussed in this video. Okay, first of all, we have to accept two numbers from the keyboard. That numbers are stored in two variables. Then swapping the values of two variables that can be discussed in this program by using Python. Okay, first enter the first number. Enter the first number. So for example, 20. Okay, this 20 value can be assigned to the variable I. Okay, next, enter the second number. That is 40. Okay, this 40 value can be assigned to variable J. Okay, next. So before swapping, I value is a 20 and J value is equal to 40. Okay, then after swapping, then I is equal to J is equal to J value can be swapped to I value can be swapped to J. So before swapping, I is equal to 20, J is equal to 40. After swapping, I value is 40 and J value is 20. Okay, so this is the given output. According to the given output, I am writing the program. First, enter the first number. That means I is equal to int of input of enter the first number. Enter the first number. Okay, whatever the number that we have entered from the keyboard, that number can be assigned to I value. I am entering the first number as 20. 20 can be assigned to the variable I. Next, enter the second number. J is equal to int of input of enter the second number. Okay, next, print before swapping okay, what is the I value? Print I value is equal to I. Next, print J value is equal to J. Okay, next, now I comma J is equal to J comma I. Okay, that means J value can be assigned to I and I value can be assigned to j. Okay. Simply we are using the assignment statement. Next, printf after swapping next print I value is equal to, okay, next print j value is equal to. So I am writing in this way. So before swapping I value 20, j value 40. After swapping I value 40 and j value 20. Okay. So this is the simple program. Now we are going to the logic. First step, enter the first number. Enter the first number. So this first number value can be entered by the user from the keyboard. What is the value we are entering? That is 20. Okay. This 20 value can be taken by the input function. So input function is used for reading the value from the keyboard that are entered by the user and returns the string value 20. Okay. Now this string value 20 can be taken by the typecasting int function and it returns the integer 20. Okay. This 20 can be assigned to the variable I. So now I is equal to 20. Okay. Next go for second statement. Enter the second number. Enter the second number. So here what is the second number? That is 40. Enter the second number 40. Okay. This 40 can be taken by the input function. So input of 40. This input function is used for reading the value from the keyboard and it returns the string of 40. Okay. This string of 40 can be taken by the typecasting int function. Now it returns integer value 40. Okay. This 40 value can be assigned to j. J is equal to 40. Okay. Next, first and second statements are completed. Go for third one. So print before swapping. So before swapping, what are the values? I is equal to 20. Okay. What is the I value? I value is equal to 20. I value is equal to 20. Next, what is J value? J value is equal to 40. J value is equal to 40. Next, go for J can be assigned to I and I value can be assigned to J. Okay. So here I comma J is equal to J comma I. That means J value can be assigned to I and I value can be assigned to J. Okay. Now print after swapping okay, print I value. So what is I value? I value is equal to J value can be assigned to I. J value is 40, that can be assigned to I. And what is J value? J value can be assigned to I value can be assigned to J. So I value is 20. 20 can be assigned to the J value. So this is the output. After swapping, I value is equal to 40, j value is equal to 20. Before swapping, I value is 20 and j value is 40. So this is the output. Enter the first number 20 that can be assigned to the variable I. Enter the second number that is 40 that can be assigned to the variable j. Before swapping, so I is 20 and j is 40. After swapping, I value is equal to 40 and j value is equal to 20. So this is the swapping of two numbers program in Python. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasarao.